Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami torch, an Olympic torch. So if you don't have a square sheet of paper, I'm going to show you quickly now how to get one. Okay, I'm going to take a piece of paper and fold it diagonally. And if you're a child doing this, get an adult to help you right now. Scissors are sharp and dangerous. You're going to want to cut this excess off, which will end up in a square sheet of paper. Now, because I don't have any construction paper or colored paper, I took the liberty of coloring mine red for the Olympic torch part. The back is clear, or white. The front is red. So to fold this, you're going to want this side in the back. Now I did it this way too because you're going to want to take a brown crayon or something, and you're going to want to draw for the handle. So if you have it red on both sides, you're just going to have a red handle and a red torch. Like everything is going to be red. So this way, I can actually control the colors and where I want them. So the first fold is going to be diagonal. Oops. Okay. And then the other way, same thing. Okay. Then you're going to unfold it. Okay. Now, I'm going to fold these in to the center. Right over like that. Same with the other side. Nice and even. Oops. Nice and even. And then you're going to take and you're going to step fold right around here. Oh. Oh, sorry. First, fold these down. You want to fold these flaps down, both of them. Line them up with the edge. Nice and even. Just like that. Then you're going to step fold. You're going to use this right here for one of the folds. Which is going to be upwards. So just fold that right to the point. Right up there. Nice and even. In half. And then I'm going to fold it down. Nice and even. So now you got it like this, right? Now, I'm going to fold these edges backwards. So I'm going to flip it over, or let's see, I'm going to fold it even with that. Okay, I see. So you're going to go just like this. fold it even with this line. This line here. And fold it backwards. Right? Now flip it back over. You're going to fold just the one side backwards. Okay. Now, you have your finished Olympic torch. Now, like I said, I'm going to take some brown. I'm going to color the handle. Brown. There you go. Now you got your Olympic torch. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.